we will be doing EVS 2. EVS 2 is all about Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. So, without wasting time, let's begin with chapter 1. We all have heard about great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Rani Lakshmi Bai, who with their work have made our country proud. We have also heard about kings like King Ashoka, Shivaji Maharaj, Maharana Pratap. Shivaji Maharaj ruled in Maharashtra and is respected and loved by everyone. Shivaji Maharaj's life is beautifully narrated in this entire book. So let's begin with chapter 1, Maharashtra before Shivaji. Shiv Jayanti, that is Shivaji's birthday, is celebrated with great excitement. People praise him by saying, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj ki Jai. Now my question to you all is, what was the great work he did that we celebrate his birthday every year? To get this answer, let's learn about him. Shivaji Maharaj lived in the medieval period. My dear children, we live in the modern period, and he lived during our ancestors' time. During that period, monarchy or kingship prevailed everywhere. Everywhere the kings ruled. There were bad kings and good kings. Bad king like Aurangzeb, good king like Prithviraj Chauhan. There were great kings like Mughal Emperor Akbar ruled in north and Emperor Krishnadev Raya ruled in the south. Shivaji Maharaj was a well-known ruler who loved his people no matter from which religion they belonged. He established Swaraj. My dear children, Swaraj means self-government, where no outside ruler can rule a state. But 100 years ago, Maharashtra was under the rule of two sultans, Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar and Adil Shah of Bijapur. They divided the state among themselves. They were bad rulers. These are the qualities of bad ruler. They were not liberal in their outlook. That means they never heard people's request. They oppressed people. They were jealous and were very greedy. People suffered a lot and were harassed. They could not get enough to eat. They could not celebrate their festivals or worship their gods freely. There were many Watandars like Deshmukhs and Deshpandes who owned Jagirs. Even they were very cruel. People were unhappy under their kingship. Shivaji Maharaj wanted to see the people happy, and so he made few plans. He taught lessons to Watandars, took their help in his plan to establish Swaraj, fought against powers that oppressed people, and established Hindavi Swaraj based on justice, fair play and equal treatment to people. Shivaji Maharaj made no distinction between Hindus and Muslims. For him all religion were the same. He also honored the saints of all religions. He believed and followed many saints. Example, Sant Tukaram, Sant Namdev, Sant Jnaneshwar, etc. We will learn about these saints in the next chapter.